Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a unboxing on this Neue video camera, and I'm also going to show you how to set it up. So make sure you stick around, and I'll show you how to set yours up. Alright, so moving forward here, let's get into the unboxing. And just so you know, I have already unboxed this and set it up, but I just want to show you guys how it comes when you get it. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. As you see here, we have the instructions right here. Let me get that open so you can see it right there. And also on the back, it shows you how to set it up right here. You don't need to see the other languages. But I'll be showing you how to set it up, so you don't really have to worry about that too much. Also, you have the actual camera, so you can get a close-up on it. And there's the SD slot where you can put your SD card for storage. You also have, I can get it out here. This is how you mount the camera. It's double-sided tape. You basically stick it on the bottom here, and you can mount it anywhere you like. Right here we have the camera's power source. It's just simply a micro USB cable. Simple enough. And last but not least, we have the charging block here. Okay, and before we get into the actual setup, I just want to point out a couple of items on the camera itself. Right here, as you can see, that's going to be the status light. Right here is going to be your microphone. On the back here is going to be the reset button. I actually had to use that one time, so just make sure you're aware of this and the reset button. As you can see, the camera can tilt and to whatever position you like. And also right here on the back, that's where you plug it up. Let me see if I can get a good angle. That's where you plug up your micro USB right up under here in the back. All right, so now we're going to move into actually setting it up. First thing we're going to do is get the charging block. I'm going to plug the USB into the block itself. Then we're going to actually plug it up into the camera. All right, let's plug it in there like so. All right, and right here is the point. If you already knew where you wanted to mount your camera, you could go ahead and peel the backing off of this tape, stick it on the back side of this camera, and put it wherever you want to mount it at. If you want to mount it on the wall, table, I mean wherever. So that's what you can do now. But at this moment, I'm not sure where I'm going to mount the camera, permanently. So I'm going to leave that off for now. All right, so let's get into the setup. I'm going to plug this bad boy up. All right, so per the instructions here, as you can see, step one, we're going to actually go to the download the Neue Cam app from the either the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, whichever system you're running. Then nextly, we're going to turn the camera on, which mine is currently on. Let me show you here. As you can see, mine is currently on. It's looking for connectivity because I've previously had this set up, as I said before. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset it back to the factory settings. So, all right, so firstly, I'm going to press and hold this reset button for about 10 seconds. As you can hear that beep, that indicates that the reset did take place. Now I have the red status light here. And the light will stay red for about 15 seconds. Then after that, the light is going to go to a flashing red. At that point, it's letting you know that it's ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. So at this point, I'm going to show you how to connect it to Wi-Fi and how to set it up, the application on your phone. Alright, so I just showed y'all how to set up your Neue camera. I hope it was simple enough for you as it was for me. One thing I really do like about this camera is that I can be away from home and still keep an eye on the house. So, you know, if somebody were to break in, for example, if I had it by the front door, I will be able to know that they broke in, because the camera also has a motion sensor. So if it detects any motion, it's going to notify me, and then I can then look at the live feed and see, you know, what's going on at that point in time. And it also has a cloud-based storage where you can store your data and have access to them later. So anytime it detects motion, it'll automatically, you know, capture a clip of what it detected, and then you can look at it later in your cloud storage. And you also have the, like I said, the SD card here that you can put in for your own personal storage if you don't want to use the cloud-based storage. But overall, I really do like this camera. It was very easy to set up, very easy to use, and I like that you can pretty much place it anywhere you want. I'm probably going to use it mainly for keeping an eye on my daughter, because she gets into everything. So I can put this up in her room, and if she gets up, boom, I'm going to get a notification, and I'm going to know she got up, and then I can, you know, go and take care of her, what have you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you were able to set your camera up without any issues. If you have any questions or concerns about your camera, please put them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to help you with any issues you may encounter. But overall, my thoughts on the camera is I like it personally, and I've been thinking about getting one of these for a while. I stumbled across this one, and I'm very satisfied thus far. So before you click away from this video, please don't forget to go down and press that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll catch you next time. Come on.